ReverseAds is the first true alternative to Google search advertising made for the open web. The ReverseAds Web App is an all-in-one advertising tool designed to help you launch the perfect open web ad campaign. From keyword and competitive research to targeting your ideal customer and launching a campaign, ReverseAds is with you every step of the way. Find the most effective keywords for your advertising campaign. Get insights on pricing, traffic, and bidding difficulty, then save those keywords to a list for later use. Expand your keyword targeting based on a keyword you are already utilizing to build more effective campaigns and identify more relevant audiences. Search your competitor's URL for insights into their advertising practices, then utilize this information to improve the quality and competitiveness of your campaigns. Make use of your research by seamlessly importing your keyword list to set up your audience targeting in minutes. Upload your creative assets or build visually enticing ads with our drag-and-drop ad builder. If you'd like, you can also submit for our in-house creative team to design a whole suite of ads for you. Set your monthly budget, launch your campaign, and begin seeing immediate results with ReverseAds.